Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat filters not working. If you're using Snapchat and your filters are not working on your Snapchat apps, let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing you have to check if you have any strong internet connection. It may be your Wi-Fi or cellular. Once you have checked your internet connection, you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update in your Snapchat app, because sometimes it might be that your Snapchat app is not up to date. So you can face these type issues. You have to open your app store or Play Store and you go for search. You have to simply search for Snapchat here, and once you have search, you will get the Snapchat app. You have to make sure that you haven't any pending update here, or if you have any update here, you have to try to update your app. Once you have updated, you have to recheck on your Snapchat if its filters are still working or not. If you're still having the same issues, what you have to do, you have to open your settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for Snapchat, tap on offload app. You have to try to offload your app, because sometimes it must be that your Snapchat includes some bugs, so it will not work perfectly. So you just have to offload your app once. Once you have offloaded, you have to tap on reinstall app option, and once your app has been reinstalled, you can easily use your Snapchat app without any issue. So in this way, you can easily fix all the issues, including your filters are not working. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.